Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk about a product that I tested. So I tested a beard oil, this one. I don't know if you can see. Beard oil by the brand that is called Sponge. I never heard that brand before, but yeah, this is the oil that I tried. So it's a beard oil that is supposed to make, men's beard grow faster and thicker. So I was like, does it also work on hair? Does it make hair grow faster and thicker also, or it's just for beards? So I tested out for a couple of weeks and here is my review. So as I said, I tested out for a couple of weeks. So what I did is I use it in my regular bottle that I use for my hot oil treatments. So yeah, you can see that is a couple left here. You can see the brown color. It's because there was a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil already in the bottle, so that's why it's a little bit brown. But yeah, I put the oil in there and I rub it everywhere on my scalp and massage for like 2 minutes like I do normally for my hot oil treatments. Oh yeah, I did warm it up a little bit, but yeah, so that's how I use the oil. I think I use it for like 3 weeks now, so I can't be sure if it make my hair grow faster or thicker, but what I can say is it didn't cause any damage. So the ingredients, well, the main ingredients for this beard oil is castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. So of course these are all oils and vitamins that is good for hair. So I'm sure if I use it like continuously, it's gonna make my hair grow faster and thicker like the regular hot oil treatment that I use. Like I use, as I said, Jamaican black castor oil, and I mix it with coconut oil and sometimes with some vitamins. So that's exactly this thing right here. So obviously it's gonna make my hair grow, so it's not just meant for beards. I'm sure about that now. So yeah, but this thing though, this thing is small and was very expensive. I think I paid like $7.50. Well, it was $7.50 Canadian, and I had a discount of $1 something, so I paid like $6 something for this little bottle right here. So if you're a man and you're actually trying to find something that's gonna make your beard grow faster and thicker, don't buy these kind of bottles. Just make your own mixture yourself. Like you can buy the Jamaican black castor oil and the coconut oil and the vitamin E like separately, and just mix everything and just rub it on your beard. Like it's gonna be way cheaper and you're gonna get way more, and it's like exactly the same ingredients. So it also works for hair. So women, if you're looking for good oils for your hair, I have a video about how I do my hot oil treatment, so I'm gonna leave it somewhere up there. So yeah, this thing, I can't say that it doesn't work. It's a beard oil, so it's gonna make your hair, your beard grow faster. But don't buy these things. As I said, buy the ingredients separately. And this mixture is not only good for hair or beard, it can actually be good for your eyebrows. If you want to grow your eyebrows or your eyelashes, like just rub a little bit overnight and it's gonna work wonders. Your hair is gonna grow. So yeah, and you can share with your man. That's cute. That's kind of cute. Like, babe, let's do our hot oil treatments together. Rub it here, that's cute. Oh yeah, these oils, so castor oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E, as I said, is good for hair growth, but also it's good for moisturizing your scalp. So that's very good, and that's actually gonna make your hair healthier. Healthier. It's gonna make your hair healthier. I'm sorry, as I said, guys, English is not my first language. I think you know by now. But yeah, so I hope this video was fun. this quick video, like trying some new stuff, you know. So yeah, today's product was beard oil, so don't buy that, guys. Buy the oils separately, and it's not like just beard oil. This is hair growth oil, so you can use it like everywhere on your body that you want to make your hair grow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for today, guys. Leave me in the comments a suggestion of a product that you want me to try, and I'm gonna give you my review, my first impressions as to that. So yeah, don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. Don't forget to like this one and to share it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys. Bye.